Are you tired of trying to lose weight without seeing results? Intermittent fasting could be your ultimate solution for rapid weight loss. It's a powerful tool that's helping thousands of people shed unwanted pounds quickly, without feeling deprived. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how intermittent fasting works for quick weight loss, and how you can get started today. Whether you're brand new to fasting or have tried it before, we're sharing the best tips to make it work for you. First, let's talk about why intermittent fasting is so effective. It helps to regulate your insulin levels, increase your body's fat-burning ability, and control hunger more naturally. The lower the insulin levels, the more fat-burning hormones are released. High insulin levels block the fat-burning hormones, hence the fat-burning process is stalled or stopped. The result: more efficient weight loss that can happen faster than with traditional dieting. Here's how you can structure your fasting schedule for quick results. One of the most effective methods for beginners is the 16/8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. During this period, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your body without causing spikes in blood sugar, and it keeps the insulin levels low. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of green vegetables. For even quicker weight loss, try combining intermittent fasting with exercise. Fasted cardio in the morning is an excellent way to tap into stored fat and maximize your results. Since the body is deprived of glucose for energy, it now has to call the fat as its energy source. So with the fat burning into energy, you start to lose the fat and become slimmer. Just make sure you're staying hydrated and getting enough electrolytes. Remember, while fasting can help you lose weight quickly, consistency is key. Track your progress, listen to your body, and make adjustments as necessary. By following these steps, intermittent fasting can transform your approach to weight loss and help you reach your goals faster than you ever thought possible.